just wanted to jump on here a minute and show you what I got in the mail today. Ready? I'm so excited. First of all, how adorable are these boxes? Oh my gosh, so cute. I have not opened it. I just took it out of the box it came in. Again, pink box. Yes, adorable. And then I just had to enjoy the boxing. So beautiful. So here we go. Oh, I guess I should tell you what this is. This is my push line wig that Andrea had made, and it is the Eileen wig. It's 12 inches, European human hair, and oh my gosh, here she is. So excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this color. Now, of course, I'm going to have lots more reviews coming up for you. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have lots of reviews about this color and about this wig, but I just wanted you to see it coming out of the box. Oh my gosh. This hair is like butter. It is so, wow. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, look at these shades in here. And look at that rooting. It is beautifully done. Oh, it's better than I thought it was going to be. It's so gorgeous. Let me see if I can give you kind of a close-up. I know it's not good lighting. I'm in my closet. I just wanted you to be the first to see it. And just how gorgeous it is. Now, I am taking it to my stylist, and she's going to trim it for me, put some layers in for me, maybe a little wispy bang. I'm not sure yet, but I am going to have some customization done. Let me let you look at the inside of this cap. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. It's very soft. Very, very soft. Of course, I'll have to trim the lace, but look how gorgeous that top is. And look how beautifully done that lace is. Wow. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get this on my head and play with it and show it to you. But I just wanted you to see it right out of the box and how beautiful it is. 12 inches. This color is gorgeous. Okay, I'll be back with more updates on the Eileen wig.